To install Windows or create a USB boot, you must have an ISO file. Some machines are not supported by the usual method of loading from the web, so today we will show you how to download an ISO file for Windows 11 in a simple and detailed manner. First, you open the web browser, then type from Windows 11, then press Enter to search. Here, you click on the Download Windows 11 Microsoft homepage. The Windows 11 download page appears. In this window, you press F12 or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on the keyboard to activate the extension interface on the web browser. This interface will have a lot of code on the right hand. You do not have to care about those codes, only pay attention to the mobile icons. Then you click Select on the mobile icon because we're emulating the mobile device to download the ISO file right onto the computer. Then you press F5 or click the reload icon to reload the new page. The page will appear with a new interface. Here, you drag down and click on Select Edition. Choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, then click on Confirm. It will take you to the selection of language. You click on the Select Download box to choose language. There are many languages, but you should choose English United States or English International. We chose English United States, then selected Confirm because Win 11 has only a 64-bit version, so your computer does not support 64-bit, so it should not be downloaded. You click on the 64-bit download section to download the ISO file. Depending on the speed of the network, the download time will be fast or slow due to the long download time, so we will turn fast. After the download, it will be in your computer's download folder. You save it for use when needed. So we've taught you how to download the Win 11 ISO file for use when needed, like reinstalling Win or upgrading old versions of Windows to Win 11. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.